Yeah, I put on a new bigger plopper because there we go. Yep, on my broken reel. First cast at this new spot. I guess we're not done. There was a lone boulder there. I saw some minnow spook and then that fish hit. Wow, it's another good one. Let's see if we can get him. Two eagles. 1, 2. And there was a juvenile sitting there on the concrete. Wow. Howdy everyone. Happy 4th of July. It's a blistering hot day and I'm gonna target smallmouth today. 2 rods, Topwater on one, 12 Oaks, and some various Nico plastics on the other. This is my home creek, but I'm exploring some sections I've actually never fished before. It's already almost 90 degrees. We'll see if the fish will cooperate. There's a good fish. Just had to get the right cast in there. Oh, and he shook it. That was a decent little smallmouth. See if there's anything right in that grassy pocket. A lot of times fish will hug a little eddies like that where you see those weeds come out. There's a little bit of still water back there. That's a great ambush spot for smallmouth. Well, I'm shocked we didn't pull one out of that first pool. I missed a couple, but at least we're exploring new water, and that's just as fun to me. The day has just begun. I'm gonna go back to throwing topwater, treat that more as an exploratory way to fish to see if there's aggressive fish. And then if we miss them and the pool looks promising, then I'll slow down and fish the Nico. Well, I just lost the bolt that holds this on my handle. And I love this reel. Darn it. Well, I guess I'll have to throw without a handle. That sucks. That's what you call a first world problem, I suppose. And when you're fishing the inner city, you just... Hi. Just doing some fishing. I've lost a few, having a lot of gear problems, but it's a pretty day anyway. Happy 4th. Tell you what, amigos and amigettes, it is dead. I'll go back to topwater with my broken reel here just because it's more fun. More funner. I mean, this is just screaming smallmouth here. I don't get it. There should be one right off that point. We should pick up a fish here. And we did. And I lost him. I am just not getting the hook sets on this little guy. Sometimes you can want something to work as much as you want. I'm walking down another section. Here's another big tent, so hopefully we can get down here okay without any problems. Well, I wanted to get in down there, but there's a big camp there and I don't want to disturb anybody or get into anything. I'll channel my inner Greg from Puddle Walkers here and see if I get anything. I'll have to come down here, and it's steeper than it looks. Yeah, I put on a new bigger plopper because there we go. Yep, on my broken reel. First cast at this new spot. It's a better fish. First fish of the day if we can land it. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a big fish. I was losing fish on that little whopper plopper, so I thought I'm going to put on a 90 size. This is the TNT. It's a black one that Chris makes for me with 12 Oaks. First cast at this new spot. It's kind of sketchy here. But man, if we can get this, the 2 hours we spent so far, They're gonna be all worth it. I'm glad we switched the bait. This is why we smallmouth fish, folks. And I got rid of that stupid 6-pound leader, and I just went straight to my braid. Let's see if I can get this fish in here now. This is a really good smallmouth. This is what you call an inner city creek freak. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a beauty of a fish. Oh, that's a chunker. Oh man. How do you like that? Wow. You never know when a day's not going your way. Just keep hanging in there. Success might be just around the corner, in front of an old culvert. Wow. Really wasn't even hooked that good. All right, well, fish of the day. Only fish I've landed so far. Beautiful spot. Right here by this discharge. I had to walk through a kind of a sketchy trail. I want it to be down there, but this is really deep, so here we go. Boy, this section just looks gorgeous. Everything about this screams big fish. Lime green tail, because this water here is more stained than I thought. But this is the hook that got it done for us now. That's a 12 Oaks 90 size, flat side, whopper plopper style bait. And they go like this in the water so the fish see the profile. They make a nice little subtle chopping noise. They got a hole in that impeller, so it leaves a nice little stream of bubbles. Not a difficult way to fish, but I catch almost all my big fish on this size of topwater. There's the reel that got it done without a handle. I'm guessing that was about an 18-inch fish, and it was an old fish, all dark and stained, big mouth, big head. Yep, there was one right by that rock, little one, rock bass maybe. Oh wow, is that a green sunfish? I believe, yeah. They're always willing to cooperate. They're very aggressive fish. The tilapia of the Midwest, I call them. They're very pretty fish. Incredibly aggressive. That was so cool, man. First cast in a spot I've never been to. Awesome. There might be another one hanging here, but sure enough there is. It's a good one too. Yeah. Oh yeah, there was another one there. Wow. Wow. They're so dark here. This where you got to be careful right here with these topwaters. That's a nice thick. That looks like an inner city fish. Look how dark that is, huh? Look how dark that fish is. Wow. See all the blood on its tail from all the spawn activities? Aggressive little guy. Thanks, bud. Yeah. Well, I'm about a mile from my truck now, and I'm fishing stuff I have never seen before. It's just great. This looks great. If I can get down here, getting down is going to be the trick. Whoa. That Smallie was after something. We're getting close to the barometer starting to plunge hard, and I'm hoping these fish are just gonna start going crazy. And because it's so much fun, I'm gonna throw topwater. All right, TNT, work your magic for us here. You'd never believe how inner city we are right now. I mean, I wouldn't. If I didn't know where we are, I wouldn't believe it. Most people wouldn't. Most people have no clue how much beauty there is right in the heart of any given city. I just switched batteries. Something big took a swipe at a minnow over here. Let's see if there's a big smallie hanging out here. I missed the hook set, darn it. That was a good fish. Came right off that limestone ledge. Oh yeah, here we go. Freedoming. There's going to be some freedoming going on here. Well, these fish are schooling me a little bit here. Back to where I started, but there's a bunch of people swimming there. 5 or 6 of them. So we'll wade upstream and explore some new water here. They got little kids, they got a dog, they're having a good old time. Let's see if we can pick up one more creek freak yet today. Heck, I'd even just take a little tiny smallmouth. What do we got, an eagle or a hawk? Something's up above there. Well, we are fishing Eagle Creek, so, and there are eagles that fly up and down along here. That might be an eagle over there, just off to our right. That looks pretty smallmouthy right there. My goodness, it's hot. I don't know how much more of this I can stand. Well, I got from there right through here, and that was precarious. I almost got washed away. No way. That was an eagle right there. Whoa. And there's the other one flying over. Look at that. Here comes the adult. That's what we were hearing in the tree. And then, well, happy America Day, everyone. And there's another eagle way up there. Let's see if we can get him. 2 eagles. 1, 2. And there was a juvenile sitting there on the concrete. Wow. So there must be a nest right here. Seems like it's meant to happen now that we catch a trophy smallmouth and end our trip accordingly. Looks like we might have our Independence Day smallie here, folks. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. It's a very featureless sandy bottom here. Oh, I might only have him snagged on the head. Get him over on the muddy shore. Not a bad fish at all to end the day. Not a bad fish at all. Look at that. Bigger than I thought, actually. kind of a weird, he's got a weird growth on his lip. It's a solid fish. See that? He's got a funny canker there. Well, that fish gave us a great end to the day. Where is he? Oh, he's right here. Feisty guy. Feisty. I don't know what that fish was doing there. There's just almost no features on this bottom. It's shallow. I guess he was just hanging by a few little boulders. I don't mind being surprised. Well, what has been a very difficult day of fishing has been a very good day of fishing too. I think we landed 4 smallmouth altogether. Actually, might have only landed 3, but they were all nice fish. And it's a little more special when you got to work for them. I guess we're not done. There was a lone boulder there. I saw some minnow spook and then that fish hit. Wow. It's another good one. Oh, I thought he got off. No, I still got him. I guess those eagles brought us luck. I can hear that one eagle off in the distance. This guy's fighting good. Hey, go explore new sections of creek if you can. You never know what's going to happen. This guy's not giving up either. Another nice thick fish. A dark inner city warrior. Boy, that fish fought really good. I guess we're into a random boulder field here. I'm really surprised. I am pleasantly surprised. We haven't caught any little fish today. They've all been nice fish. Happy America Day, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Remember, a bad day's fishing ain't a bad day.